Assalamualaikum and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a fundraiser on the Feeling Blessed platform. So let me start by sharing my screen. This is the Feeling Blessed homepage, and if you are a nonprofit admin, that what you're going to do is click over here on the section that says for nonprofits and go ahead and sign in to your admin dashboard. When you sign in, this is the page that's going to show up. First things first, if we want to create a fundraiser, we're going to go to this top menu and click fundraisers. And now we have this new menu available here with create, developer section, and manage. So we're going to hit create because we want to make a new one. And here are all of the things that we'll have to fill out. There's five sections to go through. And here's where I like to tell nonprofit admins, go ahead and have all of this information ready ahead of time so that you can just copy and paste it and you don't have to worry about filling things in on the spot. So first you'll need a story, and this can be as many words as you think is necessary. Your brand's hex code, I'm using this orange color, a cover photo that has to be 16:9 aspect ratio, and then one extra piece of media. This can either be another image or a video or a set of testimonials, whatever you'd like. And then lastly, you'll need an organizer's name and email. So once you've logged into the admin dashboard, you click fundraisers and then you click create, we can start filling in all of the information. So I'll go ahead and fill in all of the stuff as you saw here. Oh, so there is actually a maximum file size limit of 1 megabyte. So I will just use a different image. And if your image is not 16:9, it shouldn't really matter because you should be able to just crop any image that you do have. Be sure to title your fundraiser as well. So I will be calling mine generic fundraiser name. And then the story, like I mentioned, I'm just going to be copying and pasting things. The brand color, I think we said was in orange. And here's where you set your goal. If you have a set goal, I like to tell nonprofit admins to set a smaller goal than what you intend because it always looks better when donors exceed the goal. Purpose, these are all of the donation categories that you have already set. If you would like to edit these, please watch the video on how to add Corbani donation categories, and that should give you a comprehensive understanding of how to edit your donation categories. For now, I will do reconstruction. You can set an end date, and then you can set whether or not you are accepting zakat, recurring donations, memoriam donations, and whether or not you would like to show the list of supporters. So next step, now we're in section 2. This is where you'll need to add at least one extra piece of media, because if you choose to skip this step, you'll be able to finish all of the sections, but at the end, it won't let you publish the fundraiser. So we recommend adding one more piece of media. I'll just do the same picture that I did before. And it's telling me to crop it again, so I will do that and press add. Once that's done, we can move on to step 3. Here's where you choose your donation magnets. So if you don't want any, then the donor will just have to select the amount that they want to give on the moment. I like to have at least a few of them so that people can just click pre-made numbers instead of typing in a number. Next, we can move on to section 4. And like I said before, having all of this available ahead of time is really helpful so that you don't have to scramble last minute. And I will just be copying and pasting. And finally, we are at step 5, and this is just the preview. So there's 2 things you can do. Right now, I'm creating a premium fundraiser, but you can also do a regular fundraiser if you are on the free plan. Here's how the fundraiser will look when you preview it. As you can see, we have our cover photo here, and we have the donate, share, and contact buttons on the right side. This is where your story is shown, and then any extra media will be down here. Let me talk to you a little bit about 2 options. So if you're on the free plan, you're able to create this fundraiser, but then you'll have to put it on your own website. But if you're on the premium plan, you can create this fundraiser and then publish it live on the Feeling Blessed website. So let's see if we're on the free plan, what does this look like? If we're on the free plan, after we press create, we're going to go over to developer section and find the fundraiser that we just created. What's going to happen is you're going to be given access to the code to embed it onto your own website. So you can either copy the code or you can send it to your developer's email address, whatever that might be. If you're on the premium plan, you can go ahead and click manage and then find the fundraiser that you just created. So right over here. And then you can click on the 3 dots on the right side, press preview or press share to copy the link and share it with your donors. And that is how you create a fundraiser on the Feeling Blessed website. Like I said before, here's a preview of how things would look. And when you share, you'll be given this link to copy. Obviously, this is a dummy account, so this is not a real fundraiser. But yes, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to the Nonprofit Success Team. We are here to help. And Jazakallah khairan for your time.